How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Unmistakably, some of the biggest winners this bull run have been the meme coins. Now, with that in mind, there have been a few layer ones that have done well. We can see here, obviously, Solana's done really well this bull run, going from about $8 to 160. One cryptocurrency that people are starting to pay attention to is Tron, TRX token. Now, this has hit a new all-time high with the exception of this one day back in 2018 where it hasn't quite hit that. But if you look at the last bull run, it went up to about 15 cents. It's up at 17 cents now. And it did go down during the bear market, but it's been a steady climb up with a pretty exponential move from 13 cents to 17 cents recently. Now, with this being a layer one and with it now hitting the top 10, it's actually number 9. It's past Toncoin. The next biggest is Dogecoin, which it could easily flip because Dogecoin's only $1 billion more. With that in mind, a lot of people are starting to look at the TRX or Tron ecosystem. They're looking at different cryptocurrencies that have done well, maybe on something like Solana, Avalanche, those kinds of layer ones, and thinking maybe it will do well on TRX. And now that people are starting to look at TRX, there's still a lot of room to run for some of these cryptocurrencies. Actually, their number one dog meme is what we're talking about today, Sundog, which is a partner of the channel. It's up 33% here today. It's at almost a $300 million market cap. It was larger at the all-time high. It went up to about $340 million in 4 days. It hit 50 million daily volume. It's been trending every single day, it seems like. It powers Sunbot too, which is a top Telegram trading bot. It's the number one trading bot according to medium.com on Tron. Okay, so it powers that, which had 20 million trading volume itself, 40,000 users, and 150K trading fees on day one. It ran for days without any kind of red candle, and they did drop $2 million worth of Sundog to Tron or to TRX holders, 500,000 holders. So yeah, this is what I want to talk to you about today. If you don't mind, hit subscribe, turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this. If you want to trade, there is a link underneath the video to several different platforms, including Margex, Blowfin, CoinW, etc. Now, like I said, a lot of people think this is going to do well because when you compare this to other cryptocurrencies that are similar, other memes, it's still much smaller. Like WIF, it's 7.5 times smaller than WIF. It could go up to $2 based on this. It is 15x smaller than Pepe. It's 35 times smaller than Shiba. It's 63 times smaller than Dogecoin. Now, of course, the price moves pretty quickly, so these could change. But that is what is kind of interesting about this to a lot of people. It's still worth a lot less than other cryptocurrencies. They're similar. You have to remember some of these have been around for a while, but this also isn't the top of the bull market for these cryptos. Like this is Dogecoin when it hasn't really moved much from the bottom, right? I mean, it's moved. I shouldn't say that. It's moved, but it's still 7x away from the top, 8x away. So if it moved up 8x and something like Sundog moved up 70x, 60x, it still wouldn't quite hit Dogecoin, which gives you a little bit of breathing room. It doesn't have to pass Dogecoin to do a 60x, which is kind of interesting. Of course, do your own due diligence on this. We're talking about meme coins, which are inherently risky, but this has done quite well, 250% up in the last 7 days, and that's after its parabolic run. You can see where you can buy it here, Gate.io, Mexi, HTX, BitGet. They've talked about several other large exchanges as well, and they have a bunch of other exchanges that I didn't even mention, but they've talked about other layer ones as well. So they have created this meme narrative on Tron, which has brought tens of thousands of people over to SunPump. If you've heard about that before, it's done quite well, and a lot of people have been paying attention to it. Their Twitter's trending as well. They have a lot of followers in a very short amount of time. But You can see here, Capo gave another entry at $200 million yesterday. We just got Bybit perps and smashed 320 million. Sundog is the first Tron meme listed on Bybit perps. Sundog is the first Tron meme to break 300 million market cap. And Binance is programmed. Billions programmed, they say. Now, I'll leave a link to this underneath the video where you can learn some more. You can go buy it if you want. But of course, always do your own research, right? I'm not here to tell you to buy anything, but this is an interesting crypto. It's still just at a couple $100 million market cap, and I know that is large. Like I say, just a couple $100 million. But when you compare it to other top meme coins, still quite small, right? And in a bull market with a crypto, an underlying ecosystem token that is moving up pretty substantially, people are going to dive into that ecosystem and try to get alpha. They're going to try to get returns. So this is quite interesting to me. As always, do your research. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the links underneath. And if you want to hit subscribe so you can see future videos, I'd really appreciate that. See you in the next one. Bye.